In today's video, we are going to show you how to withdraw from Deriv using crypto. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. Inside the dashboard, you'll find options for deposit, payment agents, transfers, and withdrawals. In this case, what we are going to do is you want to make sure you click the deposit now. And of course, you need to select the crypto. You will see several options such as Solana, TRX, Bitcoin, USD Coin, BNB, USDT. It's up to you. In this case, what I'm gonna choose is the Bitcoin. This step is very important. Make sure the wallet network you choose matches the receiving wallet network exactly. For example, we have chosen BTC or Bitcoin, so we need to copy this, okay? And then open your crypto wallet or exchange account. This could be Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase. In my case, I am choosing Binance. Just hover on this section that says Dashboard and then hover or scroll down until you find the option that says Withdraw. Since we selected Bitcoin, all I have to do now is double check the wallet address, type the address here, and then secure the amount. Review any fees if applicable. Let's say I put 69. Once everything looks correct, click the submit or request withdrawal. Now for security purposes, Deriv may ask for email verification, two-factor authentication, or additional confirmation steps. Complete the verification process to authorize the withdrawal. And after submitting the withdrawal request, Deriv will begin processing it, okay? And basically, that's it for today's video on how to withdraw from Deriv using cryptocurrency. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.